Hi guys! I hope you're all having a fantastic day. In today's video ay magluluto tayo ng creamy meatballs recipe. This particular recipe turned out talaga na masarap, moist yung sa loob, at creamy. I'm so proud of this recipe, masarap. Alright, umpisahan natin sa mga sangkap. Kailangan natin ng meatballs. Meron na akong recipe nito. Ililink ko siya sa show notes or description box down below, so kindly check it out. Alright. Kailangan rin natin ng Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, vegetable stock, garlic, butter, salt, and ground pepper to taste. Sa lista ng mga ingredients, kindly check ang description box below. Alright, so first off, kuha tayo ng pan, lagyan natin ng butter on medium heat. Once melted na yung butter, gisahin at lutuin natin ang garlic. Mga about 3 minutes or hanggang sa mag-fragrant na yung garlic at golden brown in color. Next, i-add natin half lang muna ng vegetable stock. Pwede kayong gumamit ng beef stock or chicken stock. Then, add natin yung lahat, yung remaining na vegetable stock. Then, halo-halo lang yan. Next, i-add natin yung heavy cream. Okay? So, haluin lang yan. Mga about, lang dito, mga 30 to a minute lang. And then, add in some salt and pepper. So, nakakita nyo parang nag-ano na siya, like nag-simmer. Kasi nga, konti lang yung inilagay natin na vegetable stock at saka heavy cream kasi pang sauce lang naman ito para doon sa meatballs. Then, I added the Parmesan cheese. And then, hintayin lang natin na medyo mag-melt ng konti. And then, ilagay na natin, finally, yung meatballs. Okay? And then, i-mix lang natin ito. Turn off the heat after mga 1 minute na paghalo nito. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Again, I'm so proud of this recipe. It's really good. And thank you guys for watching. As always, take care!